Hey y'all, another video. Watch me do crochet braids and crochet fox locks in my hair. I got the braids on the top and then like the fox locks like it's in like the middle part slash back part of my hair, but you could barely tell that I haven't mixed. So yeah, stay tuned, like this video and share with your friends. Alright, let's get into it. Okay y'all, so I got my hair into 4 sections. I got the back sectioned off. That's the one that's going apart from ear to ear. And now what you see me doing on this side, I'm on the right upper side. I'm going to be starting to box these sections, so it's going to be like up and down parts. And each time I make like a square box, I'm going to be placing a rubber band there so that I can hold that in place, and then take that brush. I'm just taking it to kind of brush it away a little bit, and then I'm making sure that the part is straight, so I don't want to have no crooked parts, even though it really doesn't matter because I'm going to be covering it up with crochets anyway. But yeah, so I'm just brushing that section out and then taking a rubber band, and then I'll be banding that down. Yeah, so I want to make these kind of tight, so I wrap it around like 4 or 5 times just to make sure that it's nice and secure. And then I'm just going to be kind of keep repeating the same process on each sections in the upper half of my hair. Alright y'all, so this is how it should be looking so far. I have the upper half done. So each time I did a box braid or a box square, I just kind of combine them to the next box with the rubber bands. So this is how it should look. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I didn't really go much in detail with this, but if y'all need me to, just comment down below. So once I get to this section, I'm just gonna kind of secure it again with the rubber bands, and then I'll be parting these braids like to the back because I'll be making braids with these. So I'm gonna take my rat tail comb, and then I'll be like parting my hair as if I'm gonna be braiding my hair straight to the back. And then the leave outs from the front box rubber bands, I'm going to be combining that leave out with the braids that I'll be making that's going towards the back. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, I am just braiding my first braid after the top part of the box rubber band sections. Like I said, I was just going to combine the leave out from the boxes, and then I'm just going in with my first braid to the side, and it should look like that. And then just keep on repeating this same process until I get like a few braids going to the back. Alright, y'all, so I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but I'm on my second braid, but I did combine that first braid into my braid that I just done. So yeah, once I kind of repeated that same process with all the braids and combining all the braids together, it should all combine into one big braid. So this is how it should look. So yeah, as y'all can see, I have one big braid with all of the braids braided to the back, all combined into one braid. And I want to show y'all, I'm going to go ahead and take that one strand of braid, and I'm going to grab my crochet hook, and then I will be kind of tucking in that leave out braid into the braids that's already parted. But first, I like to add a rubber band just to make sure that it's tight. So I'm going in and securing that rubber band together just so that it can be nice and secure. And then I'll go ahead and tuck that braid into the other ones with my crochet hook. Alright, y'all, so now this is how it should look when I'm all done. I got the top part in the square box rubber band method, and then I got the braids going in the back. So yeah, it should look like this. And then I made that one braid that had all the braids connected into one is also tucked in. So yeah, it should look like this when it's all done. Alright y'all, so the hard part is pretty much all done and out the way. Now the easy part is just as simple as crocheting the hair into the square boxes and the braids as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna do what I just said. I'm just gonna crochet the hair pieces. I start from the back to the front so that the back part could be more fuller, and then the top part will just have the crochet hooks inside the boxes that I have there. So yeah, once I crochet it in, I open up that little loop, and then I tuck the other section of the braid, and then I kind of grab it and then just kind of pulling that through. You want to make sure that the hoop that it comes with is opened up pretty wide. That makes it easier for you to grab the braid, and then just kind of tie it and just pull it through. So yeah, and then I just like to pull on it a little bit just to make sure that it's nice and secure. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's that simple. So yeah, I'm just going to repeat the process. I already started doing the back, so what y'all going to see me doing now is just basically the front part of my hair. Alright y'all, so I am finishing up. So right now I'm just adding the pieces of crochet hair into the boxes that I've added, and I did add some red hair as well to this hair because I wanted to create like a highlight effect. So it looked like I have streaks of blonde and like a burgundy red hair as well. This was really fun and quick and easy to do, and it saved a lot of time, so I didn't have to sit in a chair and braid my hair for hours upon hours. The quickest way is crochet, so I like this method. This is my first time doing like the individual boxes because I wanted to look like it was kind of like individually box braids, even though it's just crochet. So yeah, that's why I love doing crochet. It's quick and easy for me. So yeah, I'm just kind of repeating the same process, and then I'm figuring out which color piece that I want and then I just open it up and then just pull that crochet here through, and then once it's through I just kind of go ahead and pull it to make sure that it's nice, tight, and secure. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright y'all, this is the finished result. It's nice and full. This was done within like I'll say like 3 hours it took. That's because I had the babies too. It could have been quicker. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, share it with y'all friends, and then make sure y'all subscribe to our channel.